Have you ever noticed that it seems like the rich just keep getting richer, while the rest of us struggle to get by? It's a trend that's been happening for centuries, and it's known as economic inequality. But why does this happen? Is it just the way the world works, or are there deeper forces at play? In this video, we will explore the complex issue of economic inequality, including the reasons why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, and what we can do to create a more equitable society. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's dive into the world of economic inequality. As we have mentioned, wealth begets wealth. It's a simple concept, but it has a powerful impact on our society. Those who are already well off are able to invest their money and earn a return, which in turn allows them to accumulate even more wealth. This creates a cycle in which the rich get richer and the poor get left behind. But it's not just about having a lot of money, it's also about access to opportunities. Those who are wealthy often have access to better education, job opportunities, and healthcare, which can further widen the gap between the rich and the poor. The COVID-19 pandemic has only served to exacerbate this problem. Many of those who are already struggling to get by have found themselves hit hard by the economic downturn, while those who were already well off have been able to weather the storm more easily. This has led to a growing sense of frustration and discontent among those who are feeling left behind. Have you ever heard the saying, "the rich get richer and the poor get poorer"? It's a phrase that's often used to describe the growing problem of economic inequality. And it turns out, there's some truth to it. A study conducted by economists from the IMF and other institutions found that wealthier individuals are more likely to earn higher returns on their investments. But it's not just about the money that wealthy people have, it's also about the opportunities that they have access to. The study found that the children of wealthy individuals, while likely to inherit their parents' wealth, aren't necessarily going to make the same high returns on their investments. This suggests that there may be more at play when it comes to economic inequality than just the amount of money someone has. So what does this all mean for the rest of us? It's a reminder that economic inequality is a complex issue, and one that is not easily solved. So do you also feel like the deck is stacked against you when it comes to making money? A study from Norway may help explain why some people seem to have all the luck when it comes to financial success. The study used 12 years of tax records to show that wealthy people tend to make more money from their investments than those who are less well off. In fact, those in the top 0.1% of the wealth distribution made a hopping 140% return on their investments, while those in the 75th percentile made a still impressive 50%. But it's not just about the money. The study also found that once someone reaches a certain level of wealth, it becomes easier for them to stay there and continue accumulating even more wealth. This means that the rich are more likely to stay rich, while those who are less well off may struggle to catch up. So what can we do about it? While there are no easy solutions, understanding the ways in which economic inequality impacts us all is a good place to start. By working together, we can strive to create a more equitable society for everyone, where everyone has the opportunity to succeed, no matter their background or circumstances. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make a lot of money no matter what they do, while others struggle to get by? A study may have some answers. The study found that wealthy people often earn higher returns on their investments, even when they're taking on less risk. This is because they have access to exclusive investment opportunities, better wealth managers, and other resources that can help them make more money. But it's not just about the money. The study also looked at how wealth is passed down from one generation to the next. The results showed that while the children of wealthy individuals are likely to be very rich themselves, they may not earn as high returns on their wealth as their parents did. This suggests that while money can be inherited, certain talents and abilities are not. So what does all this mean for the rest of us? It's a reminder that economic inequality is a complex and deeply ingrained issue, and one that won't be easily solved. But by understanding the ways in which it impacts us all, we can work together to create a more equitable society for everyone. Let's strive to build a world in which everyone has the opportunity to succeed, regardless of their background or circumstances. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand the complexities of economic inequality. We hope that this video has shed some light on the reasons why the rich seem to always come out on top and how wealth is passed down from one generation to the next. It's not an easy problem to solve, but by coming together and working towards creating a more equitable society for all, we can make a real difference. No one should be held back from reaching their full potential because of their financial circumstances. Let's work towards building a world where everyone has the opportunity to succeed, no matter their background or situation. Thanks for tuning in.